Hello everyone. In this video, we will share astrological insights on how individuals born under the sign of Gemini, also called Mithuna Rashi, can easily enhance their fortune based on their horoscope. By following the tips provided in this video, Gemini individuals can excel in their careers, jobs, and businesses, making significant progress in life. The tips and advice given in this video aim to help Gemini people gain exceptional planetary strength, lucky influences, and horoscopic advantages. For Gemini individuals, Monday and Wednesday are considered lucky days, and the numbers 3 and 7 are deemed auspicious. Therefore, undertaking important tasks on these fortunate days and aligning with these lucky numbers can significantly increase the chances of success. The fortunate colors for Gemini individuals include yellow, purple, and blue. Wearing clothes in these colors regularly is believed to attract good luck and positive energies into the lives of Gemini individuals. To get favorable horoscope strength, worship Lord Sri Mahavishnu on Wednesdays, Ekadashi and Dwadashi Tithis. This can be done by visiting the temples of Lord Sri Mahavishnu and offer traditional offerings such as coconut, bananas, flowers, incense sticks, and camphor while praying for the blessings of the planet Buddha. Breaking a coconut in the temple is believed to symbolize the breaking of the afflictions in your horoscope and bring blessings. So, it is a must to offer and break coconuts when visiting temples to ensure that the horoscope afflictions are removed and blessings are received. For improved horoscope strength and lucky influence, recite the Om Vishnave Namaha mantra every day or every Wednesday for at least 3 minutes or as much time as you can spare. It is considered more auspicious to recite these mantras while visiting temples. By visiting Sri Mahavishnu temples and shrines on Wednesday, you can help overcome issues such as poor health conditions related to the nervous system, respiratory issues, poor memory and concentration, academic difficulties, poor judgment and decision making, stuttering and speech difficulties, financial losses, mistrust and suspicion. The act of visiting temples can help alleviate these issues. Additionally, Sri Mahavishnu temples and shrines on Wednesday can yield favorable outcomes, including career growth and financial stability through business opportunities, promotions, and gains in income. Additionally, your intellectual capabilities and problem-solving skills can be enhanced, leading to success in academic and professional pursuits. Good health, particularly related to the respiratory system, and relief from nervous system related issues. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends and relatives. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. We wish you all the best and eagerly look forward to meeting you in other videos. Goodbye and Namaste.